Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the new botanical set rocking plants. So we've got two pretty plants, very cute, and this is a new set on May. So we've got two bags of Lego and two guidebooks like this. So cute, right? Okay, so now let's see what plants they are. So let's see what's written over here. So, hi, my name is Lumi. I'm a Delosperma cooperi, also known as ice plant. However, this cool sparkly succulent is anything but icy. The name comes from tiny hairs on its stem and leaves that reflect light and look just like ice crystals. Alright, cool. All the way from South Africa, this adventurous, warm, and fun-loving Lego plant is ready to play anywhere. Hi, my name is Ali. I'm an Echeveria elegance. Born in Central America, this classic succulent is loved for its no-fuss attitude. It's poised, adaptable, and if elegant comes to mind, we don't blame you. It's in the name. However, it's not without its wild side. This Lego version and its vibrant, flashy flowers is the perfect reminder that life is full of surprises. So these two plants are the plants that we're going to make today, but they actually have quite complicated names, so I actually forgot it right away. But anyway, you know the one before, happy plants, it was yellow and blue. This time it's pink and green, which is quite nice actually. Maybe there's going to be colors like purple, orange, like that later. So this one is kind of like stretching its legs. Yeah. Oh, it's very flexible, this Lego. So this is a pink one. This one is called Echeveria elegance. Yeah, very nice. It sounds very nice, right? So it also has these cute arms over here like this. And this one, the plant is a little bit long. Yeah, because the plant is also long. Okay. Oh, wow. Well, maybe it's not that long. It kind of feels long though, but I don't think it's actually quite long. But it just seems long because maybe it's because of its legs. That way it makes this look kind of long. Anyway, oh, it's so cute. Very simple face, but cute actually. Like this. Oh, wait. Yeah, there you go. So this is a rocking plant. So we have to make them move like this. So cute, right? So, okay, let's make the plant now. This one is actually quite easy to make. I think Delosperma cooperi, the green one, is a little bit difficult than this Echeveria elegance. Okay, well, let's put these things like this. Looks so cool, right? So this is the first layer of green, and we're going to have to repeat the same thing on the upper part as well. But this one is actually quite easy to make, so I like easy builds. Oh, like this looks so cute. So put these again and make the same thing and put it on the top. Yep, like this. More of these things and make them look nice like this. Cute, right? Okay, there you go. So one more and put this on the top. Wait, there you go. Now it looks really nice, right? Oh, wait, yeah, it looks great. Looks wonderful. So, okay, oh, okay, now it looks better. So, yeah, like this, and we've got some rubbery piece. Interesting, right? And some I don't know, this sort of flower. Is this a flower? I don't, maybe it's a flower. Yeah, I saw the photo, but it doesn't really look like a flower, but sort of like a flower. Anyway, there's also the root, of course, and plant it to the plant. Oh, wait, I forgot to put this piece. There you go, now it's perfect. Looks so cute, right? So now let's make this Delosperma cooperi. It's green color, but kind of a little bit bright green with a little bit of yellow mixed together. Yeah, it's not just completely green. There's also a little bit of yellow, you know. If you mix green and yellow, it kind of becomes this sort of color. Anyway, this one it has a little bit different pose than the one before, but I kind of forgot how it sits. I think it was sitting. Yeah, probably. Anyway, also put its arms like this. I think among all these like happy plant and rocking plants, this one has the cutest face because it has like its tongue out, which is super cute. Like this. Okay, over here. Looks so cool, right? So yeah, put some these things. Yeah, like this. Oh, it really has pretty colors, right? I love this sort of color. Okay, like this. So this one is, it feels kind of longer, yeah, than the one before. Yeah, and oh, it has like this tongue out face. Looks so cute, right? So adorable. I totally love it. Make the same thing on this side as well, like this. Really nice color, right? But we have some of those things. That's because to make it like rock, because it's a rocking plant, you know. So now we're going to add its legs, like this cute legs, and this Delusperma cooperi is actually a little bit complicated to build. Yeah, you know, like the last time as well, one of them was a lot more easier and the other was a bit more harder. Yeah, oh, really nice flower, right? Nice color. Yeah, so this one is really complicated actually. So okay, put these interesting pieces. I never had one of these pieces before. It kind of looks like spiders. Like if you use these colors, it kind of seems like a spider, like a green spider. Anyway, like this. And in the middle, we're going to add, oh wait, like this. In the middle, we're going to add some flowers like this. Really nice, these dark, kind of like darkish, these pink flowers. Kind of looks like spiders, right? Anyway, we have to make 3 of these, like repeating the same thing over and over like this. Oh, nice, right? Okay, wait. There you go. So like 5 of them facing down and 5 is like facing up part. Okay, wait, I forgot to put this circle in the bottom floor, bottom part. There you go. So now we've made 2 spiders, 2 spiders so far, and we're going to make the last one now, like this. Looks nice actually, but it's actually a little bit complicated. Anyway, we can now add the flower, and it's going to be the end, like this. Perfect. So now we can attach it like this, which is also not very easy because it's you know, it kind of feels, you know, very weird, but it's kind of hard to plug it to the plant because they're so, you know, like, oh, okay. So now I managed to put them inside, but I don't think this is the perfect like angle, but it's hard to change the angle. Like if you try to change the angle, they keep falling. Anyway, let's just do it like this. Okay, so this is the Delusperma cooperi and Echeveria elegance. They look so cute, right? They both look so cute, right? So we have made the pink and the green one, which is Echeveria elegans and Delusperma cooperi. So we made those 2 plants, and we can also change the a plant pot like this if we want, but I think the original looks better on them. Anyway, so today I built the rocking plant set, the new set on May, and next time I'll come back with other Lego videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. They look so cute, right? I think I like the Echeveria elegance better. I mean, the Losperma cooperi has a very cute face, but Echeveria elegance, I think it looks much better because it's like kind of like long. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye.